Good evening, my people. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend away again. Today, me have some brown stew chicken. You see it the real way. Yeah, man. And some rice and peas. Go up. You see it. Yeah, man. Almost finished. Sorry for not been posting video in a while, but YouTube been regulating me for all my videos that I've been dropping. So they kept telling me that my video is not YouTube appropriate. So that's why you see this long I haven't been posted, because they suspended my account. Alright, so now I got back my account and this is my first video I'm posting back. So bless it to everyone, alright? And thank you for stay loyal, and thank you for tuning to me. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend away again. Boom, 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 boom. Alright? Don't shoot chicken. Rice and peas. Blessed everyone.